This is the one that my roommate's been working on for a little while. I don't know much about it. I haven't never built one of these yet. I do know it's the Tamiya Dancing Rider. It's a T301 chassis. I know he put a brushless motor in it, and he's got some upgraded parts on it. That's about all I know. I've never built one, or this is my first time actually looking at this closely. But cool looking little three-wheeler, and I like what he did with it. Like how he went with a Joker theme. I know he plans on building the dual rider next. He's going to do a Batman version of that one. But I think he did a great job on this. I mean, it's really cool the way he did it. I'm actually not sure how this comes apart. So, let's see if I can figure it out. Alright. Alright, that's simple enough. But yeah, this is what he came up with. He's got some upgraded parts on here. I'm not sure exactly what they are yet. I'll try to put what I can in the description of what parts he used and everything else. I know he got an action figure from Amazon, the Joker, and just used the head off the body and put it on the Tamiya body. He's got the brushless motor in there. Not sure what it's geared at. I don't know if he's got the stock gears in it or not. But it's actually really cool. I may have to get me one now and see if I can build myself one. But we're going to go run this. Like I said, this is not going to be a very in-depth video. Like I said, I don't know much about this vehicle. But we're going to go run it around, try it out, and see how well it runs. So y'all just hang tight.